I forget which one of these. He is here, and his wife is here, and some of his children.
No, the Nolan name.
That's his son.
Over here at corner of Hoover Springs and Florence Road, that's
But in the Rutherford County Historical Society's books and cemeteries, and graveyards and cemeteries, it's called the Walter Hill Community Cemetery there, and I call it the Hoover Family Cemetery because that's what it is.
Yeah, that's who's buried here.
Yeah, that's who, that family is here. This headstone right here, this is Billy Malone. And this was completely lost to our family until C.C. Haley and Bruce Wormy and I came out here and found it.
Wow.
We didn't know it was here.
But you weren't looking for it, though.
We were looking for anything.
Okay.
And Bruce was over here and brushed some leaves off. He said, this is Billy Malone.
Wow, let's go.
So he's the one that built the Malone Henderson house,
Is he the one that built it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And he died right before the Civil War, right?
45, actually. So it was a good while before the Civil War.
Who built this house over here?
And I believe that house over here, that's down on Jefferson Pike, was built by his wife's father. His wife was Mariah Hoover. And he was in Walter Hill, we know that. Which, where's Walter Hill?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like here's the boundary.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure that that's his house. It's a very, very old house.
I bet it's loud.
And nobody's ever researched it, that I can tell. And I think that was his house, and this is directly behind it. If you go on the back of the house and you go straight up the hill behind the house, this is where it takes you.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought that was where we were going. I thought we were going to pull in at that place
to go to
because
the
I heard
house.
you had described it to me before.
We don't know who's buried there, but it's 4 posts and some fencing around it. We suspect Bruce Wormy is really the one that came up with this theory. He has a pretty good idea that may be where Mariah is buried.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly when she died. We don't have any records of where she's buried or anything. C.C. Haley, in her book that she did when the house was sold, she came up with the date of 1898. And we can't really confirm where that came from. You talked to her about that, I think, didn't you?
No.
Anyway, we don't have any detail. So that looks like it's probably around that period anyway. I mean, it's a very old thing. Seems like that kind of thing might have been done around that time.
Billy, what period was that?
Sorry, her husband died, left her with this big family, and she had to manage that whole family business, that big farm, big plantation, a lot of slaves, a lot of workers, a cotton gin, and she ran all that successfully all the way through the Civil War and afterwards.
And survived the war. I mean,
yeah. And we don't have a photograph of her, and we don't have any more detail on her. But I wrote what I could on that story on my blog. If you want to.
Billy, what happened after the Civil War with the state? Now, did the slaves stay and work?
I really don't know. No, I don't know. State legislature. When the old county courthouse burned down, yes, it's kind of state legislature.
Yeah.
When the old county courthouse burned down in the square in Murfreesboro, he was on the commission to build a new courthouse. His son was in the state legislature. His daughter married into the Black family, the Thomas Black. What's the name? The Evergreen, just on the other side of the river up there. I forget the name of it.
Samuel Black.
Samuel
Black, yeah.
So, they were very connected, and that was a very, it's a well-known family.
They was pretty prominent.
Pretty prominent family.
Yeah, they was a real prominent.
So, but he had no one by the name of Hoover. He has no descendants by the name of Hoover.
He was in Mississippi.